The 2026 Honda Fury is back, and it's louder, longer, and more striking than ever. Honda's one-of-a-kind factory chopper has returned to remind the world that not all cruisers have to play it safe. The Fury has always stood out from the rest of Honda's lineup, breaking from tradition with its stretched-out frame, raked front end, and minimalist styling that screams custom without needing to visit a custom shop. And now, in 2026, it's back with refinements that keep its spirit intact while modernizing key features to match today's rider expectations. The first thing you notice about the 2026 Fury is its unmistakable stance. That long front fork and dramatically raked front end give it a silhouette that looks more at home on a West Coast custom than in a showroom. But that's exactly the magic of the Fury. It's a production motorcycle that looks like it was hand-built in a custom garage. The teardrop fuel tank flows smoothly into the slim, low-profile seat, while the sculpted rear fender hugs the rear wheel with just the right amount of gap to show off the bike's clean lines. The 2026 model stays true to this identity, keeping the stretched-out design that fans loved while tweaking the proportions just slightly to improve balance and comfort. Underneath the style is Honda's tried-and-true 1312cc liquid-cooled V-twin engine. It's a powerhouse that delivers smooth, torque-rich performance with a deep, throaty exhaust note that matches the bike's attitude. For 2026, Honda has revised the fuel injection system for improved throttle response and better efficiency, giving riders more confidence whether they're cruising the boulevard or taking longer highway runs. The engine remains a key part of the Fury's identity. It's not about raw speed but about delivering consistent, laid-back power that suits its chopper personality. The frame has also seen subtle updates. Honda has worked to reduce weight in key areas while improving overall rigidity, resulting in a better ride feel and more predictable handling. While it still has that long, low look, the 2026 Fury feels more planted in turns and more stable on uneven roads. Honda also refined the suspension, with a slightly upgraded front fork and a retuned rear monoshock that balances comfort and control. It still cruises like a chopper should, but now with a smoother, more controlled ride that's better suited for longer distances. One of the highlights of the new Fury is its improved braking system. The 2026 model features larger front and rear discs with updated calipers, giving it stronger and more responsive braking power. Honda also includes ABS as standard now, which not only brings it in line with modern safety expectations but adds confidence in varying road conditions. It's a welcome update that doesn't interfere with the Fury's old-school vibe but makes a real difference when it counts. Aesthetically, the 2026 Fury gets new color options that enhance its visual appeal. Deep, rich metallic paints with just a touch of flake give the bike a custom-painted look straight from the factory. Chrome still dominates in all the right places, from the long fork tubes to the exhaust and engine covers, but Honda offers a blacked-out trim package for riders who want a stealthier, more aggressive look. Whether you want shine or shadow, the Fury delivers. The cockpit is simple, just like it should be on a chopper-style bike. A single digital analog instrument cluster gives you all the essential info without clutter. The bars are wide and slightly pulled back, offering a comfortable reach without compromising on that laid-back riding position. The controls are intuitive, and everything feels solid and well-placed, staying true to Honda's reputation for reliability and rider-focused design. At its core, the 2026 Honda Fury remains a bold expression of individuality. It's not trying to be the fastest or the most high-tech cruiser on the market. Instead, it's a celebration of style, attitude, and timeless cool. For riders who want a bike that turns heads at every stoplight and rides with character, the Fury offers a factory-built chopper experience with all the reliability and refinement Honda is known for. It's good to see the Fury back, and it hasn't lost its edge.